Alright, so check this out. I'm driving home the other night and I see something. I didn't realize at the time what it was. I was a bit further up the road when I realized what it was, but you can see those headlights out in the distance there. Those headlights pull off into a little like pull-out area in the road, and you can see the other car kind of goes past him, and that's a semi-truck that pulled into the pull-off and kind of slid into the trees a little bit. It didn't look like there was any excessive damage. I pull off here on the side of the road. I didn't realize what had happened until I was a few miles further up. I had to stop to adjust the GoPro and stuff, and I had to urinate incredibly badly and hadn't slept in like 26, 28 hours. So that's that. Anyways, just wanted to show y'all.